Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Amazon website or app and signing in. This ties the gift card to your account. Once signed in, go to Accounts and Lists and select Gift Cards or redeem a gift card so you land on the proper page. Make sure you have the card code ready, typed carefully, exactly as shown, because codes are case-sensitive and include numbers. Entering it now credits your balance. This saves time when you proceed to checkout and prevents mistyped codes from failing later. You should type or paste the gift card code into the redeem field and then click Apply. This step updates your Amazon gift card balance. Once done, check the new balance shown on the gift card balance page. This confirms the funds are available and shows any remaining amount. If an auto-apply toggle is offered, enable it to let Amazon use the balance first during checkout. Doing this avoids unexpected charges to your default payment method and clarifies how much you still have to spend. At checkout, you add items to your cart and proceed, then select your gift card balance as the payment method so Amazon deducts funds automatically. If the balance doesn't cover the full order, choose a secondary payment method to pay the remainder. Amazon splits payment cleanly. Make sure the shipping address and currency match the card's country. Mismatches can block redemption. If the balance still doesn't appear, recheck the code for typos, confirm account login, and contact Amazon support if necessary for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.